Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 and Veriff identity checks in no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing Auth0 and Veriff as powerful tools for identity verification. Start by creating an Auth0 account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Click on Create Application. Choose a name for your application. Select the type of application you are building. Click on Create. Navigate to the Settings tab. Take note of the domain, client ID, and client secret. Open your no-code development platform, such as Bubble or Auth0. Find the section to integrate external APIs. Add Auth0's API endpoints into your platform. Set up a login button in your app where users can click to authenticate. Create a workflow that triggers the login process when the button is clicked. Use the Auth0 API endpoint to initiate the authentication request. Set the necessary parameters, including client ID and redirect URI. Ensure the redirect URI matches what is configured in your Auth0 settings. Customize the login experience to match your app's branding. Test the login workflow to confirm it operates smoothly. Once users are authenticated, proceed to integrate Veriff for identity checks. Sign up for a Veriff account. Access your Veriff dashboard to retrieve your API key. Go back to your no-code platform and locate the section for integrating Veriff. Add the Veriff API endpoints to your app. Create a button for users to start the identity verification process. Set a workflow that activates when users click the verification button. Call the Veriff API to initiate the identity verification flow. Provide the necessary user data for the verification process. Configure the Veriff settings to match your app's requirements. Test the identity verification integration to ensure it operates correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.